Hello everyone, my name is Rhea and welcome back to my channel, Rhea's Glam Life. You guys, I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys that I will be taking a much needed break, probably for about 2 or 3 weeks. 3 weeks max, 2 weeks minimum off of YouTube. If you're seeing this video, it's because I've already pre-recorded it, I've already uploaded it, I've already edited it. Before my break, I decided to push myself to past the extent that I needed to in order to put some videos out so that I can still be relevant. Y'all can still know that I'm here, this, that, and the other. So if you don't see me responding to your videos or in live streams, that's the reason why I'm completely logged out. Also, I'm logged out on IG. I won't be posting at all on Rhea's Glam Life. However, if you're on Urban Vibes, if you follow me on Urban Vibes Cosmetics, then you will see stuff being posted every day. Not every day, probably like 2 or 3 times out of a week at different times. Make sure you guys are liking those posts. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Leave a comment down below, some warm wishes and just encouraging words. They're very much needed. But I download back to Urban Vibes Cosmetics Instagram. I downloaded an app called Hootsuite, and you can schedule posts to go out on your social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram. They have Tumblr, which I don't use. They have all types of platforms associated with Hootsuite. So you can schedule it to post on a specific day, specific time, at your leisure, and it will post. So if you see posts on there, it's not me actually posting. I already scheduled it out so that I would not have to log on. If there's anybody that wants to reach out to me for specific people, you have my number or you have my email address. My email address is in the description box below and in my about section. It's probably not in the description box below. It's probably in the about section. Yeah. It's probably in the about section. But if you don't have my email, it's naturallyadoringtv@gmail.com. So you can definitely reach out to me there. Any Urban Vibes questions, I prefer that it go to the Urban Vibes email so that I can kind of keep everything dealing with Urban Vibes. So I just wanted to come over here and tell you guys that. Yeah, I feel amazing already. My skin is looking clear. I don't look as stressed. I look chipper. I look happy. It's because I'm excited about my break going forward. I already feel at ease. I already feel like a big weight's lifted off my shoulders. I have so much that I have to get done dealing with the cosmetics line that I just can't focus on everything. I just feel like I'm like this. Okay, what I'm gonna get next? I'm trying, and I just can't. I can't do it. And oh my gosh, it's just so frustrating, and just having a full-time job, being a full-time mom, being a full-time wife, trying to go back to school to finish out these last 6 classes to get my bachelor's degree. I'm just trying to jump. The business is taking 2 hands and my feet. I'm at a point now where I just want to rip my hair out, ball up in a ball, and just cry. I want to cry now. I want to cry because I'm so fucking frustrated. I am frustrated. I'm at my wit's end. It's like if everything could go wrong, it has. I've been feeling like nobody is on my side. Even God. I've been feeling like God isn't on my side. And please don't come for me in the comments. I am a strong Christian, but everyone has to admit at some point in their life, they have the moment where they feel that they're just at the most rock bottom and this is the raw me talking right now. They're at the most bottom part of their life and they just feel like, why is this happening to me? Why? And you're not supposed to question, but you're there in that moment. So you're thinking to yourself, like, what did I do? Like, just tell me what I did. Why is this happening to me out of all people? Like, why? Just tell me the reason and I'll fix it. And you're trying to do everything that you can to fix it. First of all, you're trying to, maybe this is it, so let me fix it. Maybe this is it, so let me do a bit more of this, and maybe this is. At the end of the day, what I've come to realize is I need to do a lot of soul searching. I've come to a realization that there's a lot of pain within me that I hold in and I don't know how to release. It's Lori's Life reached out to me and gave me some very encouraging words, and I really appreciate her. Mama 6+ reached out to me, gave me some very encouraging words, and I really appreciate you guys for doing that. It's hard. It's very hard. But, you know, by the grace of God, I'm still here. I'm still breathing. My kids are healthy. I'm healthy. My husband's healthy. I just have to get myself back into a good mental space. And I feel like I can't do the business. It has to go. It has to be forefront. Of course, my job, but the business itself has to be forefront. And I have to, something has to be on pause so that I can finalize this stuff and just be able to sit back with Urban Vibes for a minute. It can be able to run on its own, but in order for me to do that, I have to sit down and make decisions so that it can do that. But I hope you guys are still around when I come back. If not, then, you know, just wasn't meant for us to, you know, conversate and, you know, be, I guess. But yeah, that's it for this video. I'm sorry if that was too much. Normally you guys don't really get the raw, full, like even a tiny bit of the raw me. I try to polish myself up a bit before I shoot a video, and that's just me being honest. I'm just tired of a lot of bullshit, honestly. I am. I'm sick of it, and you may be getting a lot of bit of the raw me, and you may not like it. And if that's the case, I'm sorry, but I can only be me, and I can only be a polished Korea, because that's my full name. That's my real name. I can only be a polished Korea for so long before y'all get the raw deal. And it just is what it is. So that's it for this video. Thumbs it up. It'll be awesome if I could come back to my videos having all these thumbs up and just encouraging comments. But in a realistic world, there are a lot of mean people in the world, so who really does that, you know? So yeah. Anyways, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.